Good evening to all respected sir and to my all dear friends. Today I am present here. My name is Aarti Gurjar and I am going to talk about the topic. The topic name is eating manners. First I will starting with the what is eating manners. If we see in the different culture, they have their own different rules. In the different family, they have their own different rules, and eating manners are the etiquette, which may also include the use of utensils. Please change the slide. Now I will talk about the some steels name. First I will talk about the plates. This is plate, and we use this plate for so many purpose, and scientists said that in the India there is so many people they use steel plate, but this is not good. We should use silver plate, because in the silver plate there are so many things which is very good for our health, and in the steel plate there is no iron or food acid, so that's why we should use steel silver plate. Please change the slide. This is glass, and this is very important for drinking, and we use glasses for drinking anything in our home. There is so many types of glass: plastic glass and steel glass, and there is so many work of the glass. This is bowl, and the bowl is very useful for keeping anything. Like if we are eating food, then we have to keep something, then we can keep on that, and in our home it is very useful. And when we are eating food, then we use the bowl very much, and for cooking the food we also use the bowl. This is silver, and silver is very important for keeping the foods. We keep the chapati and the parathe on that, and for cooking anything we also use the silver. So how can we eat food by the good way? So first I will talk about the cheap food by mouth closed. Cheap food with mouth closed. If we see so many children and persons eat food in the early, and they don't eat food by the chewing by the good way, and after some time they have to face so many problems. So they should eat food by the chewing mouth closed, because it is very important in our life, and if we will not do it, then it can cause some problems. So we should do it. Second is don't talk while eating food. If we see so many children and persons talk while they are eating food, so they should not do it, because it's not good. If we are not focusing on our eating food, so it can cause some problems, like if pain in our stomach, because we are not focusing, so it will not digest by the good way. The third is wash up and come to the table clean. We should wash our hands, and after that we should come to the table clean, because if we will not come to the table clean in the neat and clean, so it can cause some problems and some disease also. So in our home we should sit on that table which is clean, and we should also wash our hands before eating food. Use tissue paper. Tissue paper is the very useful, and it is a one time usage thing, and after completing the meal we should use this, because it is very important, and so many people use and so many people don't use, so they should use. Wait until you are done sipping to sip or swallow a drink. We should wait for others, and we should not go like this. If we have done, so we should go not. We should also drink that water which is clean, and we should chewing by the good way. Now I will tell you some tips which is very important, so we should follow it. Eat more fish. As if we go in the doctor, then they will say to us that we should eat fishes, because it is very good for our health, and which people are not good in health, then they should also eat these things. We should drink plenty of water, because drinking plenty of water can increase your weight, and increase your weight. It's because water can increase silently boost and metabolic rate. So my third point is that cut down on saturated fat and sugar. So we should limited saturated and fat can cause some problems. So it means not that we should use shallow things. Now fourth point is get active and try to be a healthy weight. For being a healthy and a good person, we have to do something. So many people don't go out for work in the morning, and so many people also don't do exercise. And for be a healthy, then we have to do something. So we should also take care of our food, what is we are eating, is it good or bad, or we should also take care of our health, weight also, is it more or less. And if we will take care of all these things, then we can also called a healthy person. Try to eat less salt, not more than 6 grams in a day. Scientists also said that we should not eat more salt, because the salt has more sodium. It can cause a risk of heart disease and stroke. And as we all know that in the some TV ads also come that we should eat limited salt in a day, and by that our health will be also good. Topic ends. I hope you get some knowledge by this topic. So thank you all. My presenter was there, and I hope you get some knowledge by this topic. Thank you.
Anybody wants to ask anything? Is there anyone who wants to ask something?
I want to ask.
Yes.
Why the doctors suggest us to take fish? Why not another else?
Because we all know that in the fish there is so many things, like protein is much and the nutrients is much, and we also know that proteins and nutrients is very important for our health. So doctor said that.
What is the right time to take salad?
The right time of take the salad is in the India there is so many people they take salad while they are eating food, but it is not good. Scientists said that in the foreigner country they take salad in the morning when they work, and in the evening, and they have also a timetable for eating these all things.
Why should not use the steel dishes?
Because as I already said that in the steel food there is not iron. In the steel food there is iron, but not food acid and grease, and it is in the silver there is all, so it is also good for health, so we should use that.
Good. Anybody? Silver plate.
Silver plate.
Okay. When you go at the place where the people they are unknown to you, and you are offered something, you are asked to have something. So what should we have? We should have anything which is liquid or solid.
So please pardon the question.
When you are asked to have something as a meal or the drink, what should we prefer? Either we should go for drinking something, or we should go to have or eat something.
We should go to have some eating.
Okay, eating.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we all know that we eat something, after that we take something drinking.
How the eating habit become embarrassment for the people when they are eating in front of the people?
Embarrassing means?
हाँ?
Sir, embarrassing means?
शर्म की बात बन जाती है।
When it become embarrassing because when we are not eating by the good way, like we didn't use napkin, then it will fall in our days, and it become a dirty, then all will see us, then it will not look great.
Okay, what is your opinion about having food by using your hands or with the forks and knives? Which is the right way to have food?
According to me, we should use forks, and we can also eat something by the hands, because in the India there is so many people, most of the people eat by the hands, and I also think this is good. But sometimes we should also use forks in the front of all, but when we are alone, then we can eat by the hands.
Okay. Are you in favor of taking food on the dining table, or we should have food by sitting down on the floor?
If we will take food by the dining table, and if we will take food with the alls in the sitting floor, then both is good, because we are eating food with our family, then both is good. We are eating in the floor, then we are with our family, and we are in the dining table, then we are also with our family.
थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ.
What time should we to take lunch, to take dinner?
As we all know, that's the good time is for a dinner, as all have their different times. So I cannot say that what is good time. I take at a 9 o'clock dinner, and all take in the different times dinner.
What are those two embarrassing activities people mostly do while having food?
some people, because as we all know that in the India 90% people don't use napkin, and they always, when some people fall food in the dish, then it is very embarrassing for the people. And the second one is when we are eating food in the front of all by the hands, then it will look like not great.
Many times you see people they're licking their finger while having food with their hands.
Yes.
Secondly, they are burping in front of others. Dakare lete जाते हैं.
What is the meaning of saturated?
The meaning of saturated is that saturated fat, which is important in our body. Fats are important, and we should also not take more fats. The meaning of saturated is that, according to me.